Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2022 model Mazda CX-5 Sport, all-wheel drive, 2.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 16,000 kilometers mileage, ending plate 8, first owner, fog light, driver, passenger airbags, alloy mags, 5-seater, push start, 360 camera, leather seat, automatic tailgate, i-stop features, panoramic sunroof, Bose sound system, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 1,388,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 264,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. ...2022 model Ford Territory Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 14,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained at Ford Otis, registered until 2025, plate ending 0, top of the line, panoramic sunroof, active park assist, adaptive cruise control, 360 camera, heating and cooling seats, power seats, forward collision warning, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 858,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 199,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. ...2019 model MG RX5, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 50,000 kilometers mileage, casa maintained, plate ending 4, touchscreen head unit, premium leather seats, steering wheel controls, central locking system, original spare key, all stop, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 578,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 124,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2017 model Toyota Wigo G. Top of the line. 1.0-liter gasoline engine. Automatic transmission. 70,000 kilometers mileage. First owned. Well-maintained. Full CASA records. Multimedia controls. Leather seat cover. Fog lamps. Rear spoiler. Side visor. All stock. All power. Complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. Cash price. 388,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 89,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2017 model Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 41,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, plate ending 8, alloy mags, power windows, leather seat cover, head unit monitor, power side mirror, steering wheel controls, original spare key, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire, cash price, 418,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 18,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2024 model Ford Territory Titanium X, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 7,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, 5-year CASA warranty, CASA maintained with records, plate ending 6, push start, infotainment system, panoramic sunroof, reverse and 360 camera, cruise control, parking brake, power liftgate, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, autonomous emergency brake, lane keeping aid, collision mitigation system, speed sensing door locks, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire, cash price, 1,298,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 345,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.